Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at United Health. It is time for another update, and as usual we start with a large time frame where we have a focus on the green scenario in which we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and then another 1-2 setup, a third wave up, and we are now in the fourth wave to the downside where we expect to find support down to $96.5 and then see a reversal in the fifth wave to new all-time highs. Now if we break the green scenario, we do have the fallback scenario that we have been mentioning in every video ever since we started looking on this chart, but I thought it's time to let it rest until we actually invalidate the green scenario, since we will only really focus on that if we break the green scenario. Now in the shorter time frame here, we have been also focusing on two different scenarios. And firstly, we have the white scenario in which we have a wave 1 down, a wave 2 up, a third wave down, a fourth wave up, and now the fifth wave to the downside, which could be complete now. And then we also have the orange scenario in which we had an A wave down, a B wave up, and then we would need to see a C wave to the downside to still follow this orange scenario. And I can tell you, we did not see a completion of the C wave in orange, but we could have seen a completion of the fifth wave in white. Now, in the previous video, we invalidated the first support zone for this third wave. Now we invalidated the next support zone for this third wave, and I can remove this from the chart now, and we can even start focusing on a reversal to the upside that could have already started, and we could see quite a significant reversal in the B wave in white, and it could be decently substantial, but it is not confirmed that we started it. We could still be into a larger downtrend even in this fifth wave in white. And now I would like to adjust slightly this C wave to the downside that we have been tracking, since the proportions for this wave 4 got out of scope for such a wave C, and I would have to count it as complete for now. It's not the best looking 5-wave move to the downside as an impulse, but the structure is decent enough, and I could still track a rather larger, maybe like something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and now a fifth to the downside. This is still trackable, and we will need to adjust the resistances that we are tracking as we go on higher and higher. So for this, I could be looking, I would be looking to find resistance up to $262. It seems we actually topped this resistance, and we may even push higher. This move to the upside doesn't look quite complete yet. I would like to see maybe 1 or 2 more highs to actually complete it. And if we break even this resistance, well then we might actually be either in a larger A, B, C that could still unfold within the fifth wave, or it would shift the probabilities even more towards rather the idea that we are in the large B wave to the upside. But for now, we are still within scope for this, for direct downside in something like a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5. We could still develop a C wave to the downside. We still need to be careful. A C wave is always a 5-wave move, and this could still turn into one realistically. And now, as I said, we could also be tracking direct upside from this area, and I could be looking here for something like a wave 1 up, wave 2 down, another 1, 2, and then within this movement to the upside, I so far see maybe a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and then this could be a fourth, and I would be looking for a fifth, and then another 4, 5 to complete a third wave, or something like that, but a support zone for such a third wave that we have here would be from $258.9 down to around $254.6. I will also change this to yellow and add a small micro count in this area to indicate that we are looking for a possible wave 4 and a fifth wave reversal into this pattern to the upside. And yeah, as I said, this could turn into the larger B wave, and realistically, if this A wave to the downside is complete, even if we didn't reach any of the ideal targets for the fifth wave, we could be looking for a reversal in the B wave somewhere in the resistance zone from $342 up to around $510. So yeah, this is the area I would be looking for to reach in the B wave if the A wave is complete. But yeah, we are quite away from that, because we don't have even a 5-wave move to the upside yet. We cannot really do the best tracking we could do, and we cannot offer the best setup just yet, but we are getting there, it seems. And for now, these are the levels, this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And until then, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.